Hello and welcome to this video about the Master Program in Chemical Engineering at Aalborg University, Esbjerg, Denmark. My name is Rudi Nielsen, I'm an Associate Professor here, and I'll be giving you a brief introduction to the program. The Master Program in Chemical Engineering is a 2-year master degree. It's taught in English by active researchers, and you'll learn by working on real-world problems through the AAU teaching model. That means that you'll choose every semester a project to work on that relates to a real problem. And then, together with other students, you'll form a project group and then work on this problem for the entire semester. First analyzing the problem and then trying to find a solution for it. With the studies, you'll have job opportunities in both private and public sectors. Studying at Aalborg University in Esbjerg, you'll have access to state-of-the-art laboratory facilities. The project work that you'll do as part of your studies, it will be closely related to the ongoing research in our section of chemical engineering. And this also means that you'll be studying in an active, high-level research environment. And then, of course, you'll also have the possibility to study a semester abroad or have a semester where you work at a company. And if we look at the study structure marked in green, there's a lot of project work. Every semester will contain a project where the topics may vary, but it's always half the semester for the first 2 semesters are project work. And then for the 3rd and 4th semesters, you'll have to spend the entire semester on your project work. That can be for specializations, that could be for studies in external organizations, such as companies, or at a different university. Or you could choose to do a long master thesis, meaning it'll cover both 3rd and 4th semester, so you'll spend an entire year working on your thesis. Or you could do the specialization and then as a 4th semester, the master thesis. And since we do like group work, also the specializations, the master thesis can be done in groups. Of course, there are also courses, and as you can see, for the 1st and 2nd semester, there are 3 courses on each semester, providing you with some fundamental knowledge and skills that you most often will be able to apply in your project work. For the rest of the video, you'll have a chance to see some of our students and PhD students, what they're doing and their experience.
Hey, I'm Annette and I'm a master student on Aalborg University in Esbjerg, and here is my semester project for the previous semester. And we have conducted an experiment where we have used the pyrolysis to recycle the plastic. In Aalborg University in Esbjerg, we have a lot of laboratories where we have some different specialties in the different laboratories. We also have a big apparatus laboratory we can use for different kind of projects. So there is a huge range of different possibilities in Esbjerg. The good thing about Aalborg University in Esbjerg is this small campus we have, because we have a closer relationship to our lecturers and the professors there is in this university. According to projects in Aalborg University in Esbjerg, we have a lot of possibilities. Each semester we have a lot of different kind of project we can choose. So we can have something about microbiology, we can have something about oil, bio-oil, we can have something about materials, plastics. So for each semester we have a huge range of different kind of projects. And in this way we can specialize us in different ways, even if we are on the same education.
Hi, I'm Tencilla. I'm a recent graduate from Aalborg University, Esbjerg. I did my master's in chemical engineering. My areas of specialization was environmental technology and material science. Chemical engineering is a multidisciplinary program where you can combine your creative and technical skills to solve real-world problems. In my master's thesis, I worked on producing graphene oxide-based membranes, which can be used for nanofiltration. I had an incredible experience during my master's education, where I got to meet a lot of people with different backgrounds.
Hey, my name is Jonas, and I have a master's in chemical engineering, and I'm currently working as an industrial PhD student in the wind industry. The projects, which are an essential part of the education both at bachelor's and master's level at Aalborg University Esbjerg, gives the possibility to work closely together with the industry. For me, as a chemical engineer with a focus on material science, these projects have been an important part of my education, as it both gives the opportunity to work on real problems and at the same time also the insight into the actual work as an engineer. For me, the close collaboration together with the industry have in the end also led to the opportunity to do an industrial PhD. In my industrial PhD, I will do research for the next 3 years into the manufacturing process of wind turbine blades.
Hi, I'm Sebastian. I'm a PhD student here at the Aalborg University in Esbjerg in the section of chemical engineering. My PhD project is mainly themed around energy storage and the redox flow battery using fungal electrolytes as the main source of energy storage. So I'm involved in a multidisciplinary PhD project where I work with both extraction optimization of the fungal genomes, but also the battery part, which consists of electrochemical compartments and cells. So yeah, that is basically what it is about.
Hi, my name is Yvette. I am a PhD student here at Aalborg University Esbjerg in the section of chemical engineering. I also studied my master's degree here at Aalborg University in Esbjerg, and now my project is focused on defining the reaction kinetics between H2S and triazine, which is an important process in offshore oil and gas platforms and has the interest also of industrial partners and the society to reduce the environmental impact that this process might generate to the environment. My experience here in Aalborg University has been very great, very fun and very enriching. I have met a lot of interesting people. Professors and teachers are always available and ready to help and give a hand whenever you need and whenever you have a question or a problem. So it's an environment that you really enjoy during your studies. So I like being here at Aalborg University.